paddy works on the railway. In 1842 from Hartlepool I moved to Crewe, found myself a job to do, working on the railway.
Hiya. Those that watched last Sunday's live will know that I've got COVID at the moment, and I struggled. I struggled quite a lot making this handle, and this end is rubbish. Quite happy with this. I didn't use a skew, but I did extra sanding and made up for it. Just don't have the concentration to use a skew at the moment. Still don't. But anyway, that's horrible. I need to tidy that up. So all I've done is I've chucked a bit of scrap in the chuck, turn the spigot on it, that will fit onto. Bring the tailstock up just to centre it, and then just do this 2 grub screws up. And now I can spin it again. There it is. Not massively different, but much more pleasing. Just rounded off as it should have been. Just literally using a bit of scrap. And giving something to hold it with and finish the job off. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please hit thumbs up, subscribe, all the usual stuff. And I'll see you on the next one, which I'm live for the next 5 Sundays. So I'll be on Sunday. Cheers for now.